The Galaxy Note 9 packs some serious power inside and out, and much of that has to do with its S Pen sidekick. I personally use the S Pen most when I want to give my thumbs a break and quickly jot a note, but it can do so much more than write. The Note 9's S Pen has a Bluetooth antenna inside that makes it work as a remote. For example, when you've opened the camera, you can click the S Pen button once to take a picture and twice to switch cameras. In the settings for the S Pen remote, you'll see a few other customization options as well. Taking a photo from afar is the most useful remote feature for me, but you can also use the S Pen to pause and play a video, control a presentation, skip musical tracks, and advance a photo slideshow. One quick, easy way to open your top app is to simply long press the S Pen button. This is brand new to the Note 9 and definitely useful. Choose from all your apps in the S Pen settings. If your screen times out while you're holding the S Pen, you can simply unlock the phone again with a click. It's definitely much faster than unlocking the phone any other way, although it's not as secure. I don't know about you, but I hate taking screenshots of the entire screen and then having to crop in to show off the part I want. The Smart Select tool lets you grab just the part you want, from a rectangle to an oval. You can also use the tool to make an animated GIF. Smart Select isn't new to the Note 9, but it's a favorite. This one's a good reminder. There are two good ways to jot a note ASAP. The first is to pop out the S Pen while the screen is off and just start writing on the phone. The Note 9 will even write in a signature color. The second method is to double tap any screen while pressing the S Pen button. When you create a memo when the screen is off and you want to have that memo handy, you can pin it to the always-on display. This carryover feature is really useful for short-term things you need to reference, like a shopping list or a street address. After 30 minutes, the note will disappear, but you can bring it back by double tapping on the on-screen icon of a push pin. I hope this list makes you feel a little more inspired to use the Note 9's S Pen. It's a unique tool that caps off an already powerful, top-notch phone.